Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drawer guide in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drawer guide. The drawer guide is located inside the freezer bottom tray. It's used for separating produce inside the tray. The main reason to replace the drawer guide is if it's broken and won't stay in place or is simply missing. To get it apart, we need to open both French doors and then pull out the freezer door. Next, we're going to pull out the upper tray, lift it up, and take it out completely. Next, we're going to remove the lower freezer tray. I'm going to pull it up, and then we're going to take this out. I'm going to bring the tray to the workable surface. In our case, it's a table. I'm going to turn it over. Next, I'm going to remove a couple of Phillips screws using the Phillips screwdriver. And we're going to remove this stopper. Let's flip it over again, and now we can remove the guide. I'm going to pull it up here and pull it up right here. This is the old drawer guide next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install a new drawer guide. This bracket goes right into this slot. I'm going to place it on the side. We're going to lock this over, and I'm going to stretch it and push this one down. It's going to lock on, and I'm going to turn it over. Next, the little stopper goes on, and now we can secure it with a couple of Phillips screws. And use a Phillips screwdriver. Going to tighten it. All right, now we're going to place it back into the fridge. Now we're going to install the tray. I'm going to place the front end first. I'm going to lower down the far end. If you see, this interlocks on both sides. Next, we're going to install the tray, the upper tray. And before installing it, I want to show you how it goes in. A little tricky. So you see that rail and a little roller that goes inside right in there on the support bracket over this knob and underneath of this hook. Now we can close the freezer door and close the French doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.